Here we have our Tom Chambers flick and click range. So we have a Suet pellet feeder and we also have a mealworm feeder. So you simply flick open the lid, insert your mealworms, flip the lid shut, listen to the click, and it's secured with a fantastic magnet. So it's very easy and user friendly. To clean, we simply push the pin at the bottom and the pin will pop out, metal and plastic. Twist the pewter, clean it. To rebuild, we simply align the base with the tube and pop our pin back in. Great pewter style heavy duty feeder.